I'm not into marketing, and I'm just an actor, and I'm happy being an actor. Yes, she'll be coming down. I think on the 20th of next month, she should be here. I had a wonderful time. Came here really sleepy and tired, and had not had enough of a rest last night. But just listening and watching Jeetu Raj, he's a guy who's not just on his toes, but he's on the toenails all the time. So it was fantastic. He just brightened us up completely, and we had a great chat with Chacha, me, and him. We spoke about the music. This is the first time I think there is, this music premieres happening on a radio channel, which is great, and I'm hoping for some good feedback. The SMSs which poured in were super excited, so it's looking good. आप ले रही हैं?
प्रमोशन में प्रोमोस में नजर नहीं आ रही हैं?
Well, as I said, I'm not the guy who handles the marketing and the promos and stuff. The film is a love story, and it's between these two characters of Barbara and me, and that's what the film is about. And the idea of how to project the first image or the first promos of the film, that comes from the director's vision of what he should tell the audiences, and that's how promos are made. So why this is not there, why that's not there is not our our concern or your concern. It's just it's something that is the director's prerogative and the way he wants to tell the story.
Real life में कभी ट्राई तो रही है उड़ाना पसंद करते हैं?
हाँ, I remember my Papa used to teach me. We lived on the 13th floor of this building, and on the terrace we used to, but it used to be really hard for me because I was too, small, and I was wondering why the kite seemed so light, but when it's flying, it's really hard to hold the manja. So I remember that really clearly because I could not hold it. It kept flying out of my hands. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm doing a lot of ads, and Ranbir is doing John Players now, and I'm doing Provoke now. So everyone's happy.
Ranbir said that he's carrying our legacy forward. So क्या आप अब mature या Bollywood के older actors की category में आ गए हैं कि Ranbir को?
शायद, but I really feel really young. I feel like as if kites in my first film.
Let us finish.